Hello, welcome to Nutrition Therapy by Lucy, a channel where we talk about food, good nutrition, and health. Thank you for your support, for subscribing to this channel, for watching my videos, but most importantly, for consuming my content. I am so grateful. But if you're here for the first time, please make sure you hit on that subscribe button, give this video a like, and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. So today we are still talking about matters, weight loss or weight management, and today we are going to touch on things that you should check for before embarking on any weight loss program, because you don't just wake up one morning and decide, hey, I'm overweight, I'm obese, I need to shed these kgs. There are some of the things that you should check for before embarking on any weight loss program. But before we talk about them, subscribe, give this video a like, and share. So number one obvious thing is BMI, that is your body mass index, or it's taken by weight against your height. Because sometimes I feel bad when someone tells me I want to lose weight and I ask them their BMI, they don't even know what is BMI. That's something you should know of before even thinking about the weight loss. Because BMI, when you take your weight against your height in meters squared, I don't know whether I should put that formula maybe somewhere, but I'm going to give a chart of the BMI cutoff point. But you should know that if your BMI is above 25.4, going to 30s to 40s, you should do something about your weight. But again, it's important to note that you might have maybe a higher BMI, but you're very active. Like in cases kwa hawa watu wameunga. Let me give an example of maybe of a rugby guy. He might be maybe overweight, but when you check his physical activity, he's very fit. So that's something else that you should gauge yourself. Are you physically active? Are you living a sedentary lifestyle? Something that you should check for. So yes, BMI is very important to check for before embarking on a weight loss program. I think I'm going to put a formula on how you yourself you can calculate your own BMI. Another thing to check for is your waist circumference. Now it's not a special machine that you're just the normal one. Fundi wangu. Just check your waist circumference. Because when checking your waist circumference, you are checking for things like the truncal obesity, which is mostly related or associated with cardiovascular diseases or most of the non-communicable diseases. So it's very important to check your waist circumference. For men, it should be below 40 or less than 40 inches. For ladies or women, it should be less than or below 35 inches. So that's something that you should check for. Another thing that you maybe consider is having your cholesterol profile taken. Unaweza enda lab or wherever you can, that's obvious, a lab, go have your cholesterol level taken or checked. Maybe you can check for the total cholesterol levels, or what we refer to the lipid profile. You can check your LDL or the bad cholesterol, your HDL, things like that. So that when you're embarking on a weight loss program, your nutritionist is able to know, hey, this guy, the bad cholesterol is level. What type of foods or what kind of dietary guideline am I supposed to give? So it serves as a guideline to your weight loss coach or to your nutritionist. So have your cholesterol level checked. Another important thing to know or to check for is the root cause of the weight gain. Because like I always say, don't just look at someone and judge them or decide they are the way they are because maybe they are overeating, they are binge eaters. That's not always the case. Weight gain, excess weight gain, or being overweight or obese can be contributed by, for the ladies, the type of the family planning methods that you're using, especially the hormone ones. It could be the genes or your genetics. Some people are generally big, or you're coming from a generation where you are just big people. So it's very important to know the root cause of your weight gain, and also things like the medical conditions. Watu wengine ni wanene sababu ni wagonjwa. You can, things like they are like hypothyroidism, it contributes to weight gain. So always know the root cause of your weight, so that even as you approach your health coach or your nutritionist, you know this is why I've gained weight. If it's binge eating, let's know that you are dealing with binge eating, and that's the only way maybe someone can be able, your health coach can be able to help you. Another thing to check for is your physical activity. Are you sedentary? Are you active? Are you mildly active? That's another way to check for. That's another thing that you should check for before embarking on a weight loss program. So when you're approaching me for maybe a program, maybe I expect you to know your BMI. If you don't know how, at least know your weight, because sometimes it can be discouraging. Mtu ameapproach mtu mwingine anakukujia nataka ku lose weight. The first question I ask, uko na kilo ngapi? Like anasema tu sijui. Like kwa nini unafikiria you are supposed to lose weight when you don't know your weight, you don't know your height? At least know your BMI. I may not expect you to know your cholesterol levels, maybe to know your waist circumference, but at least your weight and height. So those are some of the things that you should check for before approaching a nutritionist or before approaching a health coach. But also you can approach me, you can ask me, how do I go about knowing my BMI? Yes, this is my weight, this is my height, please help me calculate my BMI and also get to know where I range. Between, like I've said, between 18.5 to 24.9, that's a very healthy BMI. Yes. So those are some of the things to check for. I hope if you are watching this video, if you are thinking of embarking on a weight loss program, please note they are very important before enrolling. So let me get to know your thoughts on the comment section. How is your weight loss journey like? Maybe are you a default ulipotelea tu katikati kwa program? Let me know to know on the comment section your thoughts, and also just share anything. Maybe you can suggest a topic you'd like me to handle. It does not necessarily have to be on weight, just anything to do with nutrition and health. Leave it on the comment section, your thoughts, and also give this video a like, share, and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you get notified, so that we can get to learn together and be healthy all together. Bye bye.